I don't want to die without community. I think this should help. Hi, we're journaling today. I'm a firm believer of writing things down. I'm a firm believer of making lists of things, of putting down my thoughts in a certain place. Like, I'm not very consistent with journaling at large. This is the notebook I'm using. It's so cute. It's from the Muddy Jumpers. Anyway, I'm not very consistent with it, but every time I've done it, it's benefited me. And I usually do this when I feel like I'm in a slump. When you're starting from scratch, no matter what it is, whether it's your health journey, whether it's your mental health journey, whether it's work, all of that, people will tell you to write down the ideal version of who you want to become. I do the opposite. I will write down who I really don't want to become. The life that makes me sick, the life that makes me feel like I don't want to live, like that's what I will write down. And then I will narrow down the ways in which I am bringing that life to life. So that's what I do. It's a very painful process. Yeah, I'm gonna see you once I've done it, and then let's see what we find out and how we can fix that. Okay, my dudes, it seems like I forgot to press record on that, but I went on a whole sermon about what I wrote, and I wrote a lot, and I went through the points of who I don't want to become in that video, but I'll tell them to you again because I will not let this small hiccup stop me from making this fucking video. I don't want to become someone who is cynical or believes that only bad or unfortunate things happen to them. I don't want to become someone who's not ambitious. I don't want to become someone who's afraid of going after their dreams because they might bring forth change. Someone who's a joy robber, a jealous individual who thinks that they can never have what others have, who can't hold a conversation because their attention span is so low, or who's someone who isn't curious to learn about new things every day. I don't want to become someone who's financially dependent on others. I don't want to become somebody who belittles other people to feel better about themselves or judges people for their choices to feel better about their own. I don't want to be someone who doesn't take care of themselves. I don't want to be someone who uses other people's downfall as a benchmark for their own growth. I don't want to be someone who is so consumed in doubt or is so focused on the destination that I forget to witness the journey. I don't want to make decisions that lead to poor health. I don't want to become someone who mirrors people or changes themselves to be more palatable. I don't want to ever be afraid of communication or think that I can't do something without someone. I never want to break more than I build or not have a home filled with love. I don't want to die without community or seeing the world. And that's just a few things. Now, this doesn't end here. See, I told you this was hard, but here's why this helps. So I might not know who I want to become, but I for sure know who the hell I really don't want to become. Who the hell I would never want to befriend, and that is exactly the person I would never want to become. I think all the things that I listed, like nobody wants to be these people. Like nobody wants to be someone who makes poor decisions about their health or takes it lightly or lets motivation win over discipline. Like I don't think anybody wants to be this individual who doesn't want to be curious, who doesn't want to learn more about themselves, or someone who can't see their own faults. I don't think anybody's लिस्ट ऑफ गोल्स में ये है कि मुझे ये बनना है. मेरे को नहीं लगता ऐसा कोई इंसान होगा जो बोलेगा श्रीयम ये तो आपने क्यों लिखा, मुझे ऐसा बनना है. बट एक्टिवली हम लोग रोज़ ऐसे छोटे छोटे डिसीजंस बनाते हैं दैट लीड अस टू बिकमिंग दीज पीपल विच फकिंग सक्स बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स ऑल इन आवर कंट्रोल. वी कैन चेंज इट any day. So this activity for me doesn't end here. I'm going to wake up tomorrow morning, read these bullet points with a fresh mind, see exactly what I'm doing to be this person. Because am I making poor financial decisions that might lead to me being financially dependent on someone? Absolutely. Am I leading myself to loneliness because I refuse to talk to people and reach out to anybody and I just want to be cooped up in my house? Yes, 100%. Am I making poor decisions about my health? Yes, I'm aware. But now all these things that I've listed down have become real and they're in front of me, and they help me keep a check on the progress that I've made. And the admission of guilt is the first sign to fixing that problem. And this is my admission of guilt to myself कि भाई अभी भी टाइम है, थोड़ा ठीक हो जाओ, थोड़ा अपने डिसीजंस सही करो. तो अगर आप लोग करना चाहते हो एक्टिविटी तो मैं तो 10 on 10 बिल्कुल रेकमेंड करूँगी. मेरे को काफ़ी बेटर लग रहा है करके, क्योंकि इट्स लाइक अ रियलिटी चेक, लाइक यू आर बीइंग अ गुड फ्रेंड टू योरसेल्फ एंड यू फकिंग डिजर्व दैट. सो इफ यू हैवंट डन दिस येट, I would suggest go do it. And Baki, thank you for helping me becoming, and I hope I help you become. Bye.